Welcome to my channel. Step-by-step guide to setting up MyWi-Fi Extender. 1. Plug in the extender. Connect your MyWi-Fi Extender to a power socket near your main router. 2. Wait for the power light. Allow the extender to boot up until the LED turns stable. 3. Connect to the extender network. On your phone or laptop, connect to the Wi-Fi name like MyWi-Fi_Extender. 4. Open a web browser. Launch Chrome, Safari, or any browser. 5. Go to the setup page. Type http://mywifi.setup or 192.168.10.1 into the address bar and press enter. 6. Log in to the dashboard. Enter default login details, usually admin or printed on the extender label. 7. Scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Click Wireless Setup or Repeater Mode to search your home Wi-Fi. 8. Select your main Wi-Fi. Choose your main router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, from the list. 9. Enter Wi-Fi password. Type in the correct password of your main Wi-Fi and save the settings. 10. Reposition the extender. Place the extender halfway between your router and weak signal area for best performance. Thanks for watching.